Hey all, welcome back to the Indian Century. Chamaya Vilakku is a unique annual Hindu festival at the Kottankulangara Devi Temple in Chavara, Kollam. This is celebrated annually in March during the Malayalam month of Meenam. Thousands of men dress as women in saris, half saris, or dance costumes to offer prayers to the goddess Vanadurga, carrying traditional 5-wick lamps or Chamaya Vilakku in a grand procession. This tradition is rooted in the ancient rituals where cowherds imitated girls to please the deity. It is known for its vibrant, inclusive atmosphere and attracts large crowds, also serving as a significant gathering for the transgender community. A legend says that the festival began when some cowboys, while trying to break a coconut on a stone at the site where the temple now stands, saw blood dripping from the stone. It was later revealed through astrology that the stone possessed the powers of Vanadurga and thus a temple was constructed. Initially, young girls would prepare flower garlands and light lamps at the temple. Imitating this tradition, the cowboys began dressing as women to offer pujas, a practice that evolved into the Chamaya Vilakku festival. procession is accompanied by traditional orchestras. The sight of men transformed into beautiful ladies, all holding lamps and making their way to the temple, is both intriguing and enchanting. The Kottankulangara Devi temple is unique in its structure too, being the only temple in Kerala with no roof over the sanctum sanctorum. The devotees believe that participating in this festival, especially the Chamayavilakku ritual, brings them closer to the divine and helps them gain the blessings of the goddess Bhagavati. The ritual is seen as an act of devotion and humility, and many men participate with the hope of fulfilling vows and seeking spiritual solace. The Chamay Vilakku is a lamp fixed on a long wooden piece. These lamps will be available for rent in the nearby shops. At midnight, men and boys come in female attires carrying the lamp. During the festival, the temple authorities will arrange the facilities including makeup rooms. Professional makeup men will also be available. When boys and men carry the Chamay Vilakku, their mothers and wives will accompany them till the temple. However, men and boys who are planning to dress up as damsel should observe certain penance or vrata for a period of 1 month. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos related to such interesting cultural rituals of India, subscribe our channel.